Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you are fine. Yesterday I make first video of my this new indicator, and just like I told you, this indicator are simply awesome and you will never get any fake signal from this point. If you got any fake signal, then definitely you will get some you can say a small profit. If you get some wrong signal, I'm talking about the wrong signal. If you take the perfect signal, uh, how you can go for you get the perfect signal. You can see there are a lot of buy signals. This is the trend line I'm using here, and each and everything details I will give you all details. Okay, so first of all, do not miss any point from my video. Okay, because at the end of the video, if you say I do not understand, then it will be your fault. So how you can get this indicator, each and everything I will mention in my video. Okay, okay, let's start the video. Just a small request, please subscribe my channel, and any further query you can ask me. Okay, okay. I have to add two indicators, and at the end of the video I will tell you how you can get this indicator and how you can add this indicator in your trading view chart. Because these two indicators, and the first one is simple hoga top trend, and the second one is uh, simple hoga 4.8. Okay, this indicator are not available on trading view, so how you can get this indicator I will show you at the end of the video. Okay, okay, let's start the video. After adding those two indicators, your indicator setting will also mention at the end of the video. Okay, so I have need to explain how this strategy work and how you can get the perfect signal. Okay, so mention here, this is the trend line. If the trend line is blue, that means that you have a buy trend. Okay, and you have need to go for the buy trades, only buy trade. Do not go for any sell trade if the trend line is blue one. Okay, if the trend line is green red, let me show you. Here you can see the trend line is red. You have need to follow only sell signal. Okay, like this one you can go for the sell trade, like this one you can go for the sell trade, and you are getting awesome profit. Okay, and what is this one? Here you can see this one is RSI ribbon. Okay, this RSI ribbon will give you an extra confirmation. How I will explain you. Okay, so the first thing, this is the top trend line, or you can say a trend line. Second thing, there are three band lines: the upper band line, lower band line, and the middle line. And the third thing, there are some buy signal and there are some sell signals. If you got buy signal, you can see you are getting some good loss. Okay, you do not have need to go for this buy trade. Just like I told you, you have need to go for the sell trade if the trend line is red. Okay, I will show you a live demo as well. Okay, so first of all, let me show you. I will show you the previous trades that I take, and I will show you the results of my trades. But you have need to understand how this strategy works. So let's start. uh, you can see, just like I told you, this adopt trend line. When adopt trend line, or you can say a trend line, I will name this indicator a trend line. Okay, when the trend line is red, you have need to go for the sell trade. Make sure you have need to go for the sell trade. And the winning ratio of my strategy is more than 95%, and I will show you my accuracy. Okay, so first I am telling you that you have need to go for the sell trade if the trend line is red. This one trend line is red, you have need to go for the sell trade. You are getting sell signal, sell signal, and sell signal so much. Okay, after getting this sell signal, make sure the candle come inside. So this is your perfectly sell trade. And make sure when any candle, this is the RSI. Okay, when candle, make sure the candle come inside the RSI ribbon. Okay, then you have to go for the sell trade. And make sure when any candle come close outside the RSI ribbon, then you have to exit your trade. Okay, but it will never happen. Okay, so this is your perfectly sell trade, and you can market goes up, you can go for another sell trade as well. And at the end of the video you have to exit your trade at this point when the candle goes outside. Okay, let's show some other example. This one, you got the sell signal, make sure the candle come inside this one. Okay, you have to go for the sell trade and you got some awesome profits. Very good. This is the one strategy. I will talk about the second strategy as well. Okay, I am talking about the first strategy. In just by using this two indicator you have two strategies. Okay, and now I am explaining the first strategy, and I will explain the second strategy as well. Okay. Okay, now you can go for the sell trade and you got some alternatives. Okay, you got two trades and both trades are profitable. Okay, let's move further. Now this is the buy trend. You have to wait for the buy signal. Let's wait. Okay, let's wait, and you did not get any signal. If you are taking this one, you can see this one is your buy trade. You have need to exit your trade at this point. Just like I told you, if your trade is wrong, it will close your trade in profit. Like here you can go for the buy trade and you can exit your trade at this point. Okay, or this point it's a very small profit, very small, but the point is you are getting at least not loss. Okay, that is the beauty of my indicator. Okay, let me show some example. This is the first study. I'm telling you, just listen the second strategy and you will definitely love this second strategy. Okay, just go to the sell trade if the trend line is red. Okay, let's wait for the sell signal. And now you can see this is the sell trade and you got the sell trade. Just like I told you, have to exit your trade because the trend line is red. Okay, and when this line is blue one, you have to go for the buy trade, and you can see you are getting some awesome profit here. Okay, this is the beauty of my indicator. But now let's talk about the second strategy, and then I will show you the results. The second strategy is this adopt trend line. Make sure you can see a trend line. When the trend line is below from the middle line, you have to go for the buy trade. Either it's red or green, does not matter. Let me show some example here. If the trend line is above from the upper band line and you got the sell signal, definitely you have to go for the sell trade. Let me show. You can see the uptrend line is upside from the upper middle band line, so you have to go for the sell trade. Okay, you can see you got the sell signal and you got awesome profit. Now the adopter come low below from the middle line, you have to go for the buy trade. Okay, you can see you got the buy trade and you are getting some awesome profit. You have to follow this buy signal, you got awesome profit. You have to follow this buy signal and you will definitely get awesome profit. Okay, now hopefully now you will understand the whole strategy, how perfectly my strategy is working. Okay. Let me show some examples in forex pair, then I will come to the crypto pairs. First I have to show some results in forex pair like GBP USD or Euro USD. You can use this in any indicator. Like here you can see the adopter line is blue one, you have to go for the buy trade. Okay, you can buy trade, you can book your profit here. Okay, now previous one, the buy trade, you get some awesome profit here. Okay, now the adopted line is green and upside from the middle line, that means you have strongly sell area. You can go for the sell trade, book your profit, sell trade, book your profit, and this is the buy one. Okay, buy line, that's mean a buy trade, and profitable. Okay, let's see. You can see now this one is below from the lower band line, you can go for the buy trade. Only buy trade if the trend line is below from the lower band or middle line. Okay, this adopted line below from the middle line, that means you have buy area. Okay, when the adopted line is upside from the upper band line or middle band line, you have need to go for the sell trade. Okay, that sell trade, or this one sell trade and this one sell trade. Okay, you can see the first profit, the second one, the third one, the fourth one. Okay, now you understand. Let me show you some demo. And at the end of the video I will show you this example as well. Same adopt trend line is using here. I am this adopt trend line same I am using in MT4, and this is buy signal and sell signal, the same here, the buy signal and sell signal each and everything, but just I did not write the sell and buy. I am using the arrow in MT4. Let me show. Okay, I am using just arrows here. Okay. And okay, you can see there are some dotted sell signal. Okay, this signal is only for the binary trading. Okay, this is for the binary option trading. Okay, this small dotted signal I am using here is for the binary traders. Okay. You will definitely small diamond signal give you some awesome profit. Okay, all that time you will get awesome profit. You can see the binary traders will love this indicator. Okay. Just you have to make sure the signal is upside from the middle band line, and this trend line is above from the middle line. Then you have to go for the sell signal, only follow sell signal. Like here you follow the buy signal, and each and everything here, the sell signal. Okay, each and everything just follow the market here. If this will also help you a lot. Okay. So we are talking about this one. I am trading view indicators, and let me show. I was going to show you some results. Okay, let me show you. Here the screenshot I record. I take a screenshot. This one in AVX I take a trade here. Just like I told you that this trend line is red. You have to go for the sell trade. Okay, you can see each condition is true. And let me show after the trade. Let me show you the trades after the trade. Okay, now this one, you can see this was your signal, and you can see you got awesome profit. Okay, this was the pair I am using here is AVX. In crypto I was trading last time because yesterday Saturday and forex market was not open, so I was trading in crypto. Okay, just need to make sure I was just showing you the indicate this just to make sure that my indicators are really working awesome. Okay, the second trade is BCH pair, and you got the sell signal. Okay, you can see here you got the sell signal. Okay, after that the last these two trades, how can you can see the sell signal and another sell, you can see you got awesome profit here. This was amazing trade. Okay, like here when I go through the trade, my price was around 385, and when I was going to exit my trade, the price was around 380. Okay, it's a $5 movement, and it was really amazing. Okay. Now the same here condition in the here that you have to follow buy signal. Let me show some example. This was your sell trend. Okay, and it's upside from the middle line. That means you have to go for the sell trade. Okay, you got the sell trade, and you got some awesome profit. Okay. This is the a trend line is below from the lower band line, and it's blue. You have definitely you can say do not miss this buy signal. It will give you some awesome profit, like here, like here, like here, or like this one. Okay, all the time you are getting awesome profit. Okay, and now I have to show you how you can add this indicator and how you can get this indicator. So if you need my indicator, you have need to contact me on my WhatsApp number, Telegram, or you can also contact me on my Gmail. If you want to contact me on my Telegram, remember there are some fake Telegram channels. Okay, do not join them. At the rate simple hoga, one right, one at the end must. Okay, because there are some fake Telegram channels, and my indicators are paid just in few dollars. You will get my all scripts. Okay, these are my all scripts. The people who are buying are getting my all scripts. In my all scripts, 3 to 5 indicators are, you can say it's mind blowing. Okay, but remaining are not so important, but you will get my all scripts. Okay, there are multiple this one, these two indicators are same, just this one is the previous version and this one is the latest version. Okay, and here you can see there are two same indicator, and this one is the latest version and this was the previous version. Okay, and the I made this indicator, this one सिंपल होगा, adopt and updated version last day, or you can say last day I make this indicator, and I receive a lot of messages, please send me the update, because I whenever people are buying, I told them updates are free. So last day I received a lot message, and if you are listening this video, then I am really sorry. I replied to some person, but I did not reply to some person because of lot of message. And after making the video last time, I go to outside from the home, and I just come back from the come back to the home, and now I will send you the all script updated version. I will send you all scripts. Okay, the people who are demanding for the updates, you will get them. Okay, I'm really sorry for them, because it never happened that I I did not reply to anyone. Okay, I tried my best to reply all the person. Okay, you will get my all script in just few dollars. And how you can get my indicator, you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, Telegram, or you can also contact me on my Gmail. How now? Let's go to the how you can add this indicator. First, you have need to open the in Notepad, and you have need to copy the code, Control A, Control C, and then go to your Pine editor. Here you this two indicator, so you have need to close it and just close it. Okay, and click on Pine editor, and here you have need to paste your code, Control A, Control V. Okay, paste your code and click on add to chart. Okay, indicator is now adding. Just go to setting. Okay, you have to go to setting, and here the time resolution for the 5 minute is 1 hour, and for 3 minute time frame you have to use 30 minutes, or one time you can also use 30 minutes, and for the bigger time frame like 1 hour, you have to select here 4 hour. Okay, just setting is done now, and now I have to go for another indicator, and open the code, Control A, Control C, copy the code, and again go to the Pine editor, and here you have to paste your code, Control A, Control V, and click on here. You will find the option add to chart. Okay, after clicking on add to chart, the indicator is now adding, and just let me show you. It's now adding, and if okay, it's still compiling because of internet connection. It's disconnect, but now it's again connected, and that's why it's taking some time. Okay, I have need to refresh it. The second indicator I have need to add here again, Control A, Control V, and click on add to chart. Add to chart, and it's still compiling here. Hopefully it will be done soon. Okay, it's still compiling just because of the low internet connection. Okay, after adding this indicator, I have need to show you the setting. Oh, okay, it's done, I think. Just go to setting, and you have need to uncheck this one and uncheck this one. Okay, and slowly down, and uncheck this one and click OK. Your setting is now done, and your indicator is now now look awesome. You can see. Okay, you can see it's look awesome and awesome. This was the BTC, the most decent book profit. And just I was going to make the video. You can at the start of the video, you can see you are getting the signal. Okay, and here you have need to book your profit here. Okay, do not wait for this candle, just make sure when the end candle touch to the upper band line, you have need to book your profit here. Okay, you can see you are getting some awesome profit here. Like here when you got the profit, the price was around 61,250 and 61,580. Okay, so hopefully you will like it, and any question, any query, you can ask me. And how you can get indicator, I told you, and I show you our details. Hopefully you like my video, and must subscribe my channel. Any further query you can ask me for the next video. Bye bye, take care.